So in this Notes app tutorial, I will be showing you guys how to create a new smart folder on the Notes app. So if you just were to go to all your notes right here, you can go ahead and create different folders right here. So once you have your notes, so folder, I'll just go smart folder, etc. Go to this page right here to where it says notes. You can press on the three drops. You can also just sort it this way. But go to the top left, press on file, and there's a bunch of different options right here. If you go ahead and press new smart folder, which is what I just do, you can then create a new smart folder. So just new smart folder, make into smart folder, etc., tags, etc. I'm going to go ahead and press OK, and then press, or let's just go ahead and add some tags here. So hello, just like that, press OK. There you go. Now in the top left, you have a new smart folder created that has tags in it, and you can kind of go ahead and proceed that way. So that is how to create a new smart folder on the Notes app. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.